Science Process Skill, Form 3. Chapter 4. Aim: to study the reaction of metals with oxygen. Apparatus: boiling tube, asbestos paper, glass wool, Bunsen burner, retort stand, retort clamp, tongs, magnesium ribbon, aluminium ribbon, iron powder, copper powder, zinc powder and potassium manganite 7 crystals. Problem statement: which metals react more vigorous with oxygen? Hypothesis: different metals have different rates of reaction with oxygen to form metal oxides. The more reactive metals show a more vigorous rate of reaction with oxygen. Variables: manipulated, type of metals, responding, reactivity of metals, constant, quantity of metals. Procedure: set up the apparatus as shown in the diagram on the right. Heat the iron powder, zinc powder and copper powder strongly using a Bunsen burner. Then, heat the potassium manganite 7 crystals. Compare the reaction of the metals by observing the color of the flame, the rate of reaction and the residue of solid at the end of reaction, product of reaction. Hear the magnesium ribbon in the air using a Bunsen burner and observe the rate of reaction. Repeat step 5 using aluminium ribbon. Record all observations in a table. Results: for metal magnesium, it burns quickly with a bright white flame. The color of product is white. So, the rate of reaction is vigorous. For metal aluminium, it burns quickly with a bright flame. The color of product is gray. So, the rate of reaction is less vigorous. For metal zinc, it burns moderately with a green-blue flame. The color of product is yellow when hot and white when cold. So, the rate of reaction is fast. For metal ferrum, it glows with a bright yellow flame. The color of product is brown. So, the rate of reaction is less fast. For metal copper, it glows slowly. The color of product is black. So, the rate of reaction is slow. Discussion: why should the glass wool be placed at the position as in the diagram? Between the potassium manganite 7 crystals and metal powder. To prevent potassium manganate 7 crystals from mixing with the metal powder. At the mouth of the boiling tube. To prevent oxygen from being released quickly to the surroundings. What is the function of potassium manganate 7 crystals in this experiment? Potassium manganate 7 crystals release oxygen when heated. Why should the metals be heated strongly at first? To activate the metal to make it ready for the reaction. 4. The chemical reaction between metals and oxygen forms a stable compound from a combination of the metal and oxygen. Name the product. Metal oxide. B. Complete the word equations for the reaction of each of the following metals with oxygen. Magnesium plus oxygen becomes magnesium oxide. Aluminium plus oxygen becomes aluminium oxide. Zinc plus oxygen becomes zinc oxide. Iron plus oxygen becomes iron oxide. Copper plus oxygen becomes copper oxide. Based on the observations in this experiment, state the relationship between the reactivity of the metal and its rate of reaction with oxygen. The more reactive the metal is, the more vigorous its reaction with oxygen. Arrange the metals in this experiment in descending order of reactivity based on their rate of reactions with oxygen. Magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, copper. Conclusion: the hypothesis is accepted. Metal reacts with oxygen to form metal oxide. Different metals have different rates of reaction with oxygen. The more reactive metal shows a more vigorous rate of reaction with oxygen. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.